It is October the 7th, 2022, and when we went to Disneyland in California back in July, I couldn't help myself and I bought this little novelty giant sequoia tree. Supposed to grow it in this little container here, and as you can see, I do have a little sprout. I started the tree on August the 3rd, and the sprout came out on September the 7th. And it's now October the 7th and hasn't really changed much. So hopefully I'm not going to kill it, but I'm going to take it out of this little container and pot it into some seed starter potting soil to see if I can't keep it alive. Thought it'd be pretty cool to try it, but yeah, just a little novelty sequoia tree. I got it at Disneyland at Disney's Grand Californian Adventure. Or actually California Adventure, not Grand California, but kid approved. Let's see if I can grow this thing. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. All right, I'm going to take it out of this little container, hopefully without damaging the roots or killing it. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see here. Give me something to sit it on here when I take it out. Not really sure the best way to do this. I'm going to see if I can't ease out some of the little pebbles that are used to support it without hurting the plant itself. There were a handful of seeds that went in here, but it looks like only one has tried to do anything. There are the other seeds there just on the top. I may try to keep those alive and see if I can't get those to germinate also, but just have the one so far. Let me see if I can get him out of here without killing him. Get these seeds out first that I can see sitting on the top of the soil. More of the rock. Four little seeds there. Four little seeds that haven't germinated yet and may not, with gravel pebble mixture. And you can see the little sprout there against the edge. I'm going to try to figure out how to get it out of there without killing it. There we go. And that tiny little thing right there is supposedly going to be a giant sequoia. Definitely going to test my green thumb on this one. I'm afraid to touch it anywhere. So delicate. potted back up. And the 4 seeds that hadn't germinated yet, I fixed those back in the little container. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. And stay tuned. We'll see if it becomes a sequoia tree.